I'm going to go down to where it says Asset. And where you see Asset, there's an arrow. I'm going to click on that arrow, and it opens up kind of a subcategory here. And I'll click on Select Value. Once I click on Select Value, it opens up a pop-up window that has all the assets for my site available. If you don't see it right away, then in the description field or any of these fields that are up here, you can type pertinent information that you know about the asset to refine your search. In this case, I know that it is an Advantage die heater or an Advantage temperature control unit. And so I'm going to type the word Advantage. I see here, once I hit enter, the asset that I'm looking for, and I'm going to click on the asset number. That has added the asset to this work order. So now I've got my work order number, the description of what the problem is, and you can see here's my asset number, and Maximo has automatically pulled from the assets application the location I have assigned to this asset. So now on the record, I can see the asset number and also the location of where that asset belongs.